How to apply folder templates for different types of services. Folder templates save time and keep client files organized by letting you apply pre-structured folders in one click, while combined templates simplify managing multiple services for the same client. For example, I've already set up two templates, one for my monthly bookkeeping clients and another for my accounting clients. Here's how it works. When you're working with a client, you'll go to their account and open the Docs tab. There, you'll see a button that says Apply Folder Template. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can select the template you want to use. Now, let's say you're handling both accounting and bookkeeping for the same client. No problem. You can apply both templates separately. Once you do, all the folders and subfolders from those templates will automatically show up in the client's account. It's that simple. But here's a pro tip. If you have a lot of clients who need both services, there's an even better way to save time. Instead of applying two templates every single time, you can create one combined template that includes all the folders and subfolders for both accounting and bookkeeping. Here's how you do it. First, go to the Firm Templates page under the Templates section and choose the Folders tab. Then, click Create Template. Give it a name and add all the folders and subfolders you need from both services. Once that's done, you can apply this single template in just one click for clients who need both services. It's a huge time saver and keeps everything consistent and organized across all your client accounts. Give it a try and see how much time and stress you can save.